I purchased AC750 wireless router from Amazon. It's dual band, and 433 megabits per second plus 300 megabits per second dual band Wi-Fi. 433 is for 5 gigahertz and 300 for 2.4 gigahertz. So let's see how it is. It's saying access point 3 in 1 range. You can check. It's a TP-Link, by the way, the company. You can check at the Amazon for this. You can search AC750 wireless router dual band. You will get there. So it's took me 1399, that is almost 400. So let's show you how it is inside. Okay, so this is the router. Maybe this is something for to charge, I don't know. I have not used router yet. This is my first time. And this is 3 antenna router, so these are those 3 antennas, and you will get some informational kit with it. And this is the Ethernet cable, I think so. This is what I received from Amazon.